Have you ever been using your iPhone and suddenly it feels like it's about to melt in your hand? Overheating iPhones are no fun, and they can even damage your battery. But fear not, there are ways to keep your iPhone cool and running smoothly. In this video, we'll explore some simple tricks to prevent your iPhone from overheating. Just like getting a tune-up for your car, keeping your iPhone software up to date is essential. New iOS versions often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can help prevent overheating issues. Here's how to update your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Some apps like to keep refreshing in the background, even when you're not actively using them. This can drain your battery and contribute to overheating. Let's see how to turn off background app refresh. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Select Background App Refresh. You can choose to turn it off completely or disable it for individual apps. Location services are great for maps and navigation, but constantly searching for your location can strain your iPhone's resources and lead to overheating. Here's how to manage location services. Open the Settings app. Tap on Privacy. Select Location Services. You can choose to turn it off completely, allow location access only while using an app, or select specific apps that can access your location. Simple as it sounds, avoiding extreme temperatures can make a big difference. Don't leave your iPhone in direct sunlight for long periods and avoid using it in very hot environments. By following these tips, you can keep your iPhone cool and prevent overheating issues. If you have any other questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.